No.
All right. Hello. We're doing the first Philippine Naga Challenge. And you see here, we have some Nagas. Look good. Now, actually, I cheated a little bit. I needed the seeds. So they are seedless, except for this one. Has some seeds in it. So we have 3 contestants, including myself. And we're going to pass them out, and then we're all going to chew at the same time. Now, you take your 2.
Take your 2. And
Okay, Jack, this one's for you.
the big one.
Okay, and then these 2 are for me.
Wow.
And you
Wait, may I see it?
Ba't yun ay alis ka dyan, Alis
Sure.
ka dyan.
eat
Ilagay
it
mo
all
dun.
at the same time.
Oh.
Yes, no problem.
Yan.
Okay, so give me a countdown, and then we're gonna put it in our mouth and go.
Sabihin mo. 1.
No, not 1. 3, 2,
Okay.
1, like that.
3, yeah, ready?
Good!
3, 2, 1. Chew.
Oh. Yan, ano mo yung mga bibig nila? Lahat sila.
They're good.
Lahat sila. Ganyan. Ilakan mo yung camera sa kanila. Oh.
Si Kuya!
Yee, papagit
Ano
to.
yung ilagay dun sa ulo mo, pupunta yan. Huwag kang hihinga sa ilong. Labas mo yung ang hang.
No, si
Ayun na.
Kuya.
Ayun na, tapos na. Tapos na sikin. Tignan mo. Pakita mo kay daddy mo. Wala na.
Ano nga? Dad,
Game. Inom. Tubig.
Yung si Kuya. Dad.
Wala na. Si Kuya. Oh, tapos, drink. Water.
Stop na?
Milk dapat.
Tapos si Daddy.
See? Everybody. Everybody.
Si Kuya na, si Kuya umiiyak na.
Baka ito. Ice tea.
Lal,
Hindi mo si Kuya ng Alis! Ang bigat. Mamaya na pa.
Si Kuya lag. Ala.
Ang hang, no?
Ang hang.
Ha?
Sinaro pa niyo.
Diri ang hang? Namula nga siya, yo.
Look, Daddy.
Kasi dito yan, kapag ginano mo, hininga mo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Kuya, di mo kaya.
Kasi dati malaking-malaki.
Tapos si Daddy inom ng inom mo. You're very red, Dad.
Oh, God! Thanks, Heaven, you're alive!
Tapos si Daddy inom ng inom.
Pati si
Oh,
Kuya Jack.
I see. Pero hindi naman si Kuya Jack namumula.
Yung dalawa.
Tapos si Daddy.
Konti
Kuya
sila
Jack,
tubig.
look, you're crying, Dado.
Why you're crying, Dad? Wait, see your eyes, baby. He's crying.
Kuya, hindi kaya.
Uy, maubos yung tubig.
Oh.
Crying.
Stop it, Dad.
Ay, stop na, Dad.
Yeah, go
Stop
ahead.
na.